Okay, so it normally I think has better packaging, but since they probably were like, oh shit seas, we forgot to send Waggo Warrior her box, they just threw it together quickly. Hi everyone, I'm Waggo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Waggo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious about the American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so something went down with the AIA Beauty Bundle. Um, I started in my feed noticing people doing unboxing videos like on the second to last day of February. And I was like, hey, where's my box? Don't know why or what happened, but they forgot to send it to me. I contacted customer support and they're like, oops, you're right. And they sent one out straight away. I think it took like 2 days, maybe 3 days. So I have the box now. It is March the 6th when I'm filming this. So we're a little late for February, but hey, I got to do what I got to do. Hello, little kitten. Um, this box is every other month and costs $34. It is curated by either an influencer or the owner of a beauty or makeup or skincare line. And I have no idea who this box is from. There are typically around 6 items, and you're guaranteed a $100 product value. All right, enough of me rambling. Let's dig into this bad boy and see what we got. It is light or later. Last month or the month before included some hair care products, and those suckers are weighty, so I do not anticipate anything for the hair. Okay, so it normally I think has better packaging, but since they probably were like, oh shit seas, we forgot to send Waggo Warrior her box, they just threw it together quickly. It always comes with a card that have product details, pricing, and then the front lets you know who the curator of the box is. So this box is curated by someone named Riha Imran, the ambassador for Pierre Cosmetics. I've been getting a little more Pierre Cosmetics than normal, and typically they are color correcting powder. I want to say Pierre Cosmetics is aligned more to the professional makeup artist, but it could be wrong, and probably am. All right, let's just dig in and grab the first item. This looks to be some sort of a powder. It is banana setting powder. Okay. It does come sealed, and it is a loose powder. I'm going to have to look this up to find out if this is full size, because if it is, it's tiny. The full size retails for $35. It says that this powder is color correcting and has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration. It's ideal for setting the under eye area and spot correcting, or even used as a base eyeshadow. Interesting. Maybe that's how I could use it, because I have very dry skin and me and powder do not get along. All right, next item. The box size, I'm going to assume some kind of lip product. This is a matte lipstick in the shade Incognito. If it's anything like the shade on the outside of the box, it will be good for me. Fingers crossed. Oh, nice packaging. Also pick up, there's some kind of slashes on here. Texture I can feel. Ooh. Yes. Let me do a swatch. Oh, very lovely. Very lovely. I already have lip product on, so, which is very similar in shade. I will save this to wear later. Excellent. All right. Well, how much is this bad boy cost? $20. All right. More than what I would ever spend on a lipstick, but on par with a lot of these unboxings. Usually lipsticks are from the $18 to $22 range, depending on the brand. All right. Next item is this little teeny tiny brush. I presume it's some kind of Kabuki style brush. It's very soft. Very soft. It will get lost in my mess of makeup. I miss a handle, but let's see what the old card has to say. This is a mini Kabuki brush, and this bad boy retails for $20. Wow. It's a bestseller, and it's super soft, dense brush. Distributes product evenly and quickly, making it a staple for any mineral makeup routine. It can be used with powder or to blend face makeup for a more natural look. It is cruelty-free. Okay, so I think they say more powder. All right, next item. What is this? Some sort of a pencil. Are you going to be lip? Or based on color, I'm going to presume an eye pencil. One should never assume, because I am incorrect. It is a brow pencil. And it retails for $20. It's an ultra slim retractable brow pencil, which allows for maximum precision when filling in sparse brows. It is an oil-free formula and delivers smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural. I will not swatch this. Oh, okay, so there is a spoolie on one end. And a retractable pencil on the other end. Okay, this will be in a future giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I am getting close to 500 subscribers. Yay. So I just want to say, look out for an announcement on a specific video where you can leave a comment and make sure you're subscribed so you can sign up and participate in that enormous giveaway. All right, back to our regular programming. Ooh, this last item is very large and very heavy. Seems to be a palette. Ooh. So this is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Ultimate Nude Eyeshadow Palette. 35 colors. All right, they had me at nude. It has an extremely large mirror, and they have taped down the little plastic bit to cover. Try not to blind you with my ring light. Wow, that is not what I would call a nude palette per se, but it's quite lovely. There are lots of shades that, in my opinion, are very, very, very similar, leaning towards warm, kind of bronzy, brown shades. There are some purples and some very glittery glitter shades. I would say 12 to 13 of the shades are shimmery and are glittery, and the remaining are matte. It is very, very lovely. All right, what does this palette retail for? The eyeshadow palette retails for $50. A little pricey, but on par. Really depends on the brand. There are 35 pans, however, they are a little tiny. But there we go. All right, so let's recap what we got in the February 2021 American Influencer Beauty Bundle, curated by Bellapierre Cosmetics. So we got a lipstick, which I'm very pleased with. It is a shade I will use and enjoy. We got a brow pencil that you don't need to worry about sharpening. We got a little mini Kabuki brush. We got a banana under eye powder and a 35 pan eyeshadow palette. Okay, leave your thoughts down below. This is all makeup, which is nice. The one before was all hair care, and we're circling back to makeup. I will list on the screen the grand total of everything that came in this month's box. And why don't you give me your thoughts? Do you enjoy products from Bellapierre? I don't know. The items tend to be a little overpriced in my opinion, but that's just me. I just have this, if I'm going to spend a certain amount of money, and it's the same as Bellapierre as, I don't know, like a more name brand, like a Fenty, Huda, you know, something more shishi, MAC Cosmetics, I'm going to lean towards the brand I'm more familiar with, but that's just me. Let me know, how do you feel about this brand? And paying $20 for a lipstick. I'm more of a, you know, wet and wild kind of budgeted girl. But it doesn't mean I don't like getting high-end products. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm on my way to 500. All right, click that bell icon and hit the thumbs up. Thanks, everyone.